Families in Houston share emotional stories of repeated health insurance denials for critical care, urging change in how policies define medical necessity and long-term support. Houston health insurance has become a central issue in the emotional and financial struggles faced by families caring for loved ones with complex medical conditions. When critical in-home care is suddenly denied or labeled as non-essential, it can feel like a blow to the very existence of the patient. Families find themselves in constant battle with policy interpretations that often fail to account for the unique, round-the-clock needs of those who rely on specialized equipment and care teams just to survive each day. In situations where individuals are dependent on life support or intensive medical routines, the abrupt removal of coverage not only puts their lives at risk, but also tears at the emotional core of those fighting for them. The impact of insurance decisions goes beyond paperwork and authorizations. Health insurance. Houston policies often involve layers of third-party coordinators, employer benefit administrators, and claims reviewers, each playing a part in the outcome without direct accountability. This complexity leads to prolonged appeal processes that exhaust families already stretched thin by caregiving responsibilities. In some cases, even when appeals are won, the approval is only temporary, creating a revolving door of anxiety and disruption. The definition of medical necessity seems to shift depending on interpretations rather than the actual condition of the patient, placing vulnerable individuals in a constant state of uncertainty. These recurring obstacles show a need for reform, especially when previous approvals are suddenly withdrawn without significant medical change. Support from a knowledgeable Houston health insurance agent has become a critical resource for many navigating these difficult paths. With the stakes being so high, understanding how to properly file appeals, communicate with insurers, and prepare the right documentation often determines the outcome. The presence of a guiding professional can help decode complex language, prevent procedural missteps, and ensure that essential care remains in place. For families entrenched in ongoing health crises, such advocacy is not a luxury. It is often the only barrier between life-preserving care and devastating loss. Insurance for Dallas, I4D, helps insure all of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Arizona, Louisiana, New Mexico, Alabama, Virginia, and Florida. Insurance for Dallas provides consumers with detailed information on health insurance with the ability to purchase health insurance online. Insurance. Dallas provides a full spectrum of health, dental, vision, life, and ancillary insurance products, providing a diverse selection of price and benefit options complemented by personal customer service. Available via phone, email, or fax. Insurance for Dallas answers consumer questions throughout the purchasing process and during the utilization of its health insurance policies.